What's up guys, and welcome to this testimonial video where I'm going to show you how I actually made money with user testing. This is just to show you that it's a real deal and there is no joking around. I'm going straight forward to the subject. So here is what the platform looks like. Obviously this is user testing. This is the test history where you can see the tests that you have already taken, if you have taken any. So in my case, I have had numerous accounts, and in this one I have made $785. Now with this account I am not actually doing it as a full-time job. However, if I was doing user testing tests as a full-time job, I could be making way more than this. And to prove this to you, let me show you how many tests there are available. So to do that, you have to click on available tests, and here you can see look how this bar is small. So this shows you how many tests you can take. You can even take tests in the toilet, in the bathroom, at work, if you book a cubicle in your office, or at home, or somewhere where it's silent, basically. Not in Starbucks because there's a lot of noise out there, but here you can find a ton of tests. Here you can find even $60 studies. This is going to be a live conversation with someone that you're going to speak with live. So for 1 hour, you're going to make $60. So just to show you, look how many $60 studies. So by completing these three, you're gonna have like $180. If you complete them in the span of 2 or 3 days, you're gonna have $180 in 3 days, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. But just look how many studies there are. So this is just to show you that this is actually some legitimate business and not something that it's going to fool you, and not something full with false promises or over promising. So here there's already a pending test that I took as part of this study. So I took it at the 6th of June. It's the day when I recorded one of the lessons that you can find here in this course. So the payment is pending, and here are the previous lessons the previous tests, that I took. So this was a live conversation with a client, $90 for 1 hour and a half. This was a $10 study unmoderated. This is a $15 study, and the list goes on. So you can actually make legitimate money that's going to be sent straightly to your PayPal account, that you can, by contrast, send it to your bank account so you can use it in real life. So this is just to show you that this is legit, and I hope you'll enjoy the lesson, and I'll see you inside the course. Thank you. Take care.